Hi guys, this is Kashif Shizad Khan. Welcome to Galaxy Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how they fix marble in Pakistan. Check, there is a lot of lippage, too much lippage. The tile fixer, marble fixer was a idiot person. Check, too much lippage. And here, too much water. There is a lot of indolation. Check how he fixed the marble. Check. He damaged all the floor. Check. Too much leakage. Too much indolation and too much leakage. Check. There is a too much indolation here. I level this area, but it's very difficult job to grind this kind of marble. Very bad installation. Check. Too much leakage. The very idiot person. I hope you do not done this kind of installation. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload this kind of videos you can get the notifications.